Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have fallen into the 15 to 18 inch fashion doll rabbit hole, and I am having so much fun.
You're like Alice in Wonderland. You spend so much time in the rabbit holes.
I do. I really do. And I love it. It's fun, and it changes it up, and it gives me different patterns to make and sewing, and I just love it. Okay, I'm not going to be able to pull that. There we go. I am enjoying the Ellowyne craze that everyone is on, and I have joined in to a degree. And as you can see, I might have bought another Ellowyne. I got her on eBay. Let me set this box over here. I reuse every box. What my cats don't sleep in, I put up on the holes. Well, not holes, but the cracks in the barns to keep the, oh, she's tied in. Oh, look at this beautiful girl. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful girl. And her stand looks like it was never out of the, no, I don't think it was ever out of the box.
Wow.
Wow, indeed. Oh, she's so beautiful. Look at that. She's a little, no, she's not. I wouldn't say bad at all in the hips.
It looks kind of loose.
Yeah, a little bit. But her arms are still covered. Her hair was still covered. Looks like they opened her up and stole her clothes. Okay, that's kind of weird. It's a
stiff like hairspray.
Lot of product, yeah, a lot of product. But isn't that cute? Isn't that? Oh God, she's gorgeous. Inset eyes, beautiful painted nails. Painted toes, hairnet, and stand. Let's pull her stand out. She is going to be in on my counter, at least for a while. Darren and I, well, long before I got caught up in the craze, you know what? I don't know how to get that out right. Oh, let me see. If I lift this up, can I slide that out? Can't do it right now. I'll get her stand out later. Before I hit the craze, Darren and I had already decided that this fall we are going to do a Fall is for Fashion doll event on dollsrescue.com. And then I got caught up in the craze, and now I can't wait. I've been working on patterns and ideas and starting to gather guest speakers for the event. It's going to be much like Winterfest, a one-day event, too, because we're going to do Friday night. We'll have goodie boxes. I got a German Shepherd. We have black German Shepherds, and they're blowing coat, and there's hair everywhere. We're going to pierce her ears. If you look, they are pierced. But I don't know if that's big enough for earrings or not. Isn't she lovely? Just a gorgeous doll.
She's very pretty.
Now that's her hair, not something I brought to her.
Shouldn't have too much.
Yeah, no, just
we're in another building.
Just the one. Yeah, well, German Shepherd's blowing coat. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.